YouTube, wherever you are. Welcome again to our channel, Joe Ngo Solaro. Let us learn this. It's a seben. Yes, let's learn this one. Welcome. Prepare your guitar. If you have not, prepare everything, your pen. So welcome. So the progression is 1 4 5 4. It's very simple, I'm telling you, very simple. So I'm in G, and then G, and then G. I will start 1 4 5 4. This is G. So I'm playing without the pick. So I don't know. This is the it's G, but I'm playing. Okay, you can play with the pick if you want. This one is playing the 4th. This is the 2nd. And this is the 4th. And then after, and then this is 4. This is like 4. It's replacing the progression 4. The 4th and the 1st strings. Yeah, I'm playing 5th and 1st strings at the same moment. And this one is touching here, and this will come here, and then here, and this, and then and open, and I'll play this C. So follow me closely. And then this is D, That's 5, and then 4. Okay, let's go slowly. After, and then guys. So practice, you need to do it, and then do it with a metronome. You look for a metronome so that you can practice it well. Then after that, you'll go slow. You'll start with the lowest metronome, then we'll start adding. Thank you, and welcome again to the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye and good luck.